In today's video, I'm going to teach you convert PDF invoices to Google Sheets in seconds with AI. If you handle invoices regularly, this workflow will save you tons of time by pulling key details straight from a PDF into your spreadsheet with a single formula. First, make sure you are in a Google Sheet. At the top menu, open Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. In the marketplace that appears, search for AI for Sheets. This is the tool that enables natural language extraction from documents. Install it so it's available in your spreadsheet. Once it's added, you are ready to use AI directly in your cells without any complicated setup. Next, get a link to the PDF you want to analyze. Upload the invoice PDF to Google Drive and make sure it's shareable via a direct link. This is important because the AI needs to access the file to read it. When you have that shareable link, copy it and paste it into a cell in your sheet. For example, A1. Keeping your links in a dedicated column makes it easy to reuse the same formula across multiple invoices. Now it's time to extract data. Click into an empty cell where you want the result to appear and type this formula exactly. PDF extract invoice number. A1. The text inside the quotes is your instruction to the AI, and A1 is the cell that holds the link to your PDF. Think of it like a clear natural prompt. Tell the AI exactly what you want from the document. You can keep the instruction simple and specific, such as extract invoice number, which works great for consistent, structured fields. After you've entered the formula, press Enter. Within seconds, the AI will analyze the document behind that link and fill the cell with the requested information. If the cell returns a result, you are good to go. If it doesn't, double-check that the link in AI is accessible and points to the correct PDF. You can repeat the same approach for other details on your invoices by adjusting the text in quotes. For example, you might ask it to extract the invoice date, total amount due, or vendor name, each in its own cell, always referencing the link in AI. That's all there is to it. With the add-on installed, a shareable PDF link in your sheet, and a short, clear formula, you can turn unstructured invoice files into clean, usable data in moments. No manual copying needed. Thanks for watching.